of Sirius 40DS Amazing Grace. It's a series from 2015. We are here in the Ionic Islands in Greece, and I just wanted to show you a bit of living on board and airing the boat and the light which you find in here. So we're in the front cabin. It's a very open space if the doors open, but otherwise even the full room is very spacious. You have a lot of ventilation and air in here, two big hatches opening counterwise, and a lot of light through all the windows and hatches. Then the next cabin is the central cabin in the very center of the boat. It's nice if the anchorage is a bit rough or if you're at sea. Even here you have a huge hatch in the top and a nice ventilation through the cabin under the doors, and obviously this fantastic view out here. We're here in Greece in the Ionic Islands, and also here living on board, doing the things you do while you have these fantastic views. If you are in a galley preparing some meal, or sitting at the entire hand station, do some chart work or some office work, or do that on the saloon table, you always have these fantastic views around here. It's now around midday, very warm outside. It's still relatively cool inside, even without an air condition. That's because we have traverse ventilations for both hatches on both sides. The windows are double glazed, so they keep the heat relatively long out of it, and the roof is around 80 millimeters in total thickness, including insulation, so it takes a while until the warmth comes in here. Obviously you can always shadow the windows from the outside in a way that you still can see out, which is nice on an anchorage or in a harbor if it's that warm all day. And yeah, what I like most is the open feeling and the interconnection with the cockpit. So it's only 2 steps out, and you're on the same level, so the crew outside or the crew inside can see the same and can see each other, and you're out in 2 seconds. Have the full cockpit to play with, 2.45 meter benches, and these fantastic views. Very open feeling also is achieved by folding down the bathing platform, which adds a big area to the boat and opens up the whole cockpit. From the saloon through the cockpit, out over the bathing platform into this fantastic waters. Did you just feel like it? You just jump in.